Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader at XAUUSD. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the Forex sentiment meter in front of us, and here is our beloved gold. And as you can see that 46% retail traders have taken short position and 53% retail traders have taken long position. So 46% are on the sell side and 53% retail traders are on the buy side. So if you look at the Forex sentiment meter, then we can see that the retail traders also seem to be confused right now regarding the direction of the market. So retail traders are also not sure in which direction the market will be moving in the coming days. So we get a picture of uncertainty from the Forex sentiment meter. And if you look at the chart of gold here, then we can see that after the strong downtrend in the market tried to recover. Undoubtedly market tried to recover, but if we just focus on the present trend of gold here, then we can see that right now the present trend of gold is sideways. Sideways means the number of buyers and sellers are almost equal. There is an indecision regarding the trend of the market. So as a result, we can see that the chart of gold looks very much sideways right now. As you can see that unlike my other videos, today I have got many levels. My chart looks messed up. So let's try to understand the levels that I have marked here. And probably this is my last video. After that I'll be going for a break. I'll be on a 1 month break. So that's why I want to discuss in detail. Okay, so let's get started. And today I have also marked the levels here. The last traded price of gold is 1853. This is the last traded price of gold here. So on Monday after the market opening, if market starts coming down or if market starts falling, okay, or if you see some sort of correction on the chart of gold, then the first important support for you will be around 1841 to 1837. Why this level is important for you? Because around 1841, around 1840 level, we have seen market taking support previously. Okay, so we have previously seen market taking support. So as a result, we can expect the market to bounce again. And if market bounces from this level, you can expect an upside of 30, 40, 50 pips easily. Why we are considering this level? Because usually on Monday mornings the market does not get much volatile. Usually we see volatility during the US session, and the morning session usually remains dull. So as a result, there is a possibility that market will be bouncing from this level also, but this level is not a very high reliable level. If market comes down to this level, observe the market. If you see that there is not much volatility in the market, then there is a good chance of market bouncing from here and you can take a buy position. And in case market breaks this level, then the next important support for you will be 1832 to 1833 level, this level. Why this level is important for you? Because this level is previous price rejection level. Previously price has shown sharp rejection around this level, 1832 to 1833 level. That's why we can expect that when market will be coming down, okay, if market breaks the level of 1841 40 level, then the next support will be 1832 to 33. If market bounces from the second support, go for a buy. But before I proceed, I would like to tell you one thing very clearly, that when you'll be seeing that market is breaking support and going down, do not take any sell position also, because overall market is sideways. Do not make the mistake by taking a sell position when market breaking the support, because at any given point of time you may see some recovery. And as you can see that the next immediate support is around 1828 to 1827. Why 1828 to 1827? Because 1828 to 27 is the Fibonacci 50% retracement here. Usually we have seen that Fibonacci level is working this setup. That's why we are considering the Fibonacci levels. If you have been watching my videos, then you have watched and hopefully you have made money also, profit also from these levels. So please consider these levels, but most importantly, focus on risk management, and as I always say, capital protection should be first priority of any trader. Protect your hard-earned money. So 1828 to 1827 will be the third support for day trading purpose because it is the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. In Forex, 50% retracement level really works excellent. Okay, and in case there is a high selling pressure, and the fourth support for Monday will be 1818 to 1817 level. Okay, so these are the support for day trading purpose. Keep in mind that the reliability, okay, the reliability of these levels is not very high. You can see that when it comes to 1817 level or these levels, I have mentioned strong support, strongest support, but in case of these levels I have not mentioned anything like strong, stronger, strongest, because these levels will work when there will be less volatility in the market. Okay, when there will be not much high selling pressure in the market, you can expect the market, you can expect the supports to work. In case of a heavy selling in the market, obviously these levels will not be able to hold the market because they do not have the power. The buyers present on these levels do not have the capacity to turn around heavy selling pressure. Okay, so these are these four support levels for day trading purpose. And in case market witnesses heavy selling, obviously market will crash all these levels, and you can expect the market to take support, or the next strong support will be 1817 level. Okay, I'm discussing all these in detail because, as I've said, probably this is my last video before I be leaving for a break. I'll be back on July 1st again. 1870 to 85, this will be your next important support. Why you can consider this support? Because of previously market taking support around this level and Fibonacci 78.6% retracement level. So if we combine both these factors here, okay, if we combine both the factors, that is the previously market taking support plus Fibonacci 78.6% retracement level, we can expect the market to bounce from here, and I think that this will be a very good support in case market witnesses heavy selling. And lastly, the strongest support around in this market is 1787 to 1780 because of previous price rejections from below. Right now these levels are quite far away, so you can zoom out the chart and you can look for the previous price rejections, but these obviously these two are the strongest price rejection, and 18.7 to 18.5 is also a very strong levels in the market, and these levels are for day trading purpose only. You must be careful and you must be following proper risk management, because see, this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well, isn't it? And in case market starts going up, okay, in case market starts going up, let me remove these lines here so that do not get confused. Okay, in case market starts going up on Monday after the market opening, the first resistance will be around 1865 to 1870 level. I have already discussed in my previous videos that market looks sideways, and we have seen market facing selling pressure around this level. So as a result, market will be facing selling pressure again. So if market reverses, or if market, when market will be hitting this level, will be reaching this level, observe the market. If you see that market is forming shooting star kind of a pattern, or any good price rejection from above, ऊपर से जब price rejection आएगा, it will be a confirmation that yes, the selling pressure is still present in the market, and you can take a sell position at the first resistance of 1865 to 1870. Okay, and the next important or the strongest resistance in this market is around 1885 to 1895, because we have a trend line acting as the resistance, we have the 200 moving average acting as a dynamic resistance, two resistance, plus if I draw the Fibonacci retracement level here, then you can see that this is also the 50% retracement level. So if we combine all the factors here, there is a high chance that market will be facing selling pressure, and if you see market reversing from this price zone, definitely you can click on this sell button. So these are the important levels for Monday and Tuesday. So that's it. Thank you so much. If I have missed anything, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. And my dear friends, good luck. All the best. Protect your hard-earned money. Do not compromise with the risk management. Be a gambler. Sorry, be a trader, not a gambler, as I always say. Bye-bye. Take care.